my channel, and Kathy here. I hope you are doing good. Thank you for clicking this video. I'm going to clip some of my clothes. Most of them I don't wear them anymore since right now I'm not going thrift shopping. At least to make use of the clothes that I have, to flip them so that I can also wear them again. So yeah, I mostly do DIY, and I hope it turns out well because I have never done this before.
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share.
Get the video. I'm going to be using scissors. I don't know where the seam ripper is, and also thread if need be. These are my tools for the day. Hope you can see this, and the clothes that we are flipping. This full neck pink sweater. And that's the pink, and then this is a dress I have had for a very long time. It's a skater dress. You also start with the dress. So this dress, I want to turn it into a two-piece, to have it, yeah, as a top and also as a skirt. Because now I don't want to wear it as it is as a dress. I can wear it the top. If I want to wear the bottom, the same thing. So yeah, I'm overturning it so that I can see exactly what I'm doing. So we're gonna start with, okay, I think I'm going to cut this, yeah, this way, yeah, here, because there's a line over here, there's this line. So I'm going to cut from this place here.
This fails, I'm so doomed. So I'm starting from this side.
Done. So we already have our crop top, and then we have our skirt. There is our crop. Yeah, that was so easy. I didn't think it would be that easy. So okay, what am I doing? So yeah, this is our crop top. That's how it looks. Into a crop top full neck because it's very long, and then you see the material is very heavy. So yeah, it's very heavy, and yeah, it's a very heavy material. And also I think I'll also cut the neck. It's long. It actually removed my eyebrows, so I'm going to also cut this. I've already folded, it's inside out, and I've folded. I want to cut all this, and so that ikae hivi, so that it remains like this, ikwe aka crop top. And I have to shona because it's the kind of material that will unravel. We're going to see how that will happen. Yeah, there. So this is what we have cut, and we are left with this. That's how it looks. Not bad. I think it's not bad. The neck is very long. It's very long. So okay.
It's now a crop top. I can now wear it gladly. So you see the bottoms, I don't think I'm gonna wear the bottoms because the bottom is too short for me.
Looks unfinished but kinda cute. So you see it does not have like that folded machine finish now nimekata, but I think it's gonna remain like that. I like it like that. This is how it looks. Oh my god, I'm imagining wearing it with a high-waisted pants. It looks so cute. Oh my god. And then nimekata pia hapa, but I need to cut it better because you see it's hapa juu nitakata, but honestly I like it. So as for this, I think I'm gonna, I don't know, I don't know if I should remain like this ama nishone too, but I'm going to see how it's gonna look and then I tell you. So let me wear it, you see how it looks and how it turned out. As you can see, I cut the neck. It's a crop top. I've always wanted a turtleneck crop top, so I do decide to shona huku chini. I will show you on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do, so that you can be updated on any changes that I make to these clothes. But yeah, like, I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. It will mean a lot, and see you in the next video. Also, if you've ever tried to do a flip on your own at home, tell me in the comment section how it went. Next video. God bless. Bye bye.